Unboxing day. What's inside? Here is a clue. These are potentiometer knobs. I bought white and grey. Same type. The grey were a bit more expensive, €2.50 for 10 pieces, and the white were €1.10 for 15 pieces. But I think the grey knobs look a little bit better. These are plastic knobs, but decent quality. They look identical, just the color changes. Also, the white has an insert. Like, I think it's a bit softer. Yes, the white is a bit softer. Okay, they fit nice. The grey knobs were a little bit more difficult to insert. But I think I like them more for my upcoming project. Thanks for watching.